are checking out today 2 BHK with extended terrace balconies in Shanti Garden. So this is the property which is 6 years old building, and we are heading towards the podium. The podium has the kids play area and the parking space as well. So this is of around 15-story tower which is nearby ISKCON Temple and Bhaktivedanta Hospital, Mira Road. 10 minutes from the Mira Road station and 5-10 minutes from the Dahisar-Cheknaga highway. That's your entrance. Let's check out. That's your elevation, that's your play zone. Basement parking, basement plus 111 podium is there. That's your space, entire space in Shanti Garden, 6-year-old building. Amazing place to live, very spacious flat we are checking out today. Just have a look. This is extended terrace balconies where you get a room, or else you can make a spacious living area, which the owner has done already. So let's check the lobby. That's your lavish lobby, amazing, kept, maintained, an amazing place. You can have a look. This is your podium. We are entering through the podium. That's your 1 and 2 lifts. So that's the 2 lifts, and that's your podium. Look at this amazing lavish. So let's check out the 2 BHK, amazing spacious flat. Look at the living space. That's your dining area on the right, and look at it. Your spacious, capacious living room, extended terrace balconies. This you can make it as a bedroom, so that you can make a 2 plus 1 bedroom. So you can make a converted 3 bedroom. That's your road. Amazing quiet area. This area you can make it a bedroom, so it can be a convertible 3 BHK, or else you can make this as it is, which is a spacious living room. That's your passage. On the right is your common bathroom, and this is your kitchen. Cabinets are there. On the right there is refrigerator space. That's your cabinet, and the extended dry balcony space. Above and below you can see the cabinets. On the right you can make wardrobe for the kitchen utensils, anything you want. Now let's check. On the left there is the refrigerator space. Let's check out the common bathroom. That's a common bathroom. Look at the amazing work done. On the left there is your storage area. That's your spacious storage space. Look at it, amazing place. We are checking 2 BHK spacious with extended terrace balconies. You can convert it into a 3rd bedroom as well, which is in the living space. Amazing place to live in Shanti Garden. Nearby ISKCON Temple and Bhaktivedanta Hospital, just 6 years old building. Contact for all the details. Make a visit. This is your common or kids bedroom. On the right, your wardrobe space is there. Have a look at it. The wardrobe space, huge wardrobe space you can keep, but they have kept in this way. You can make it a big wardrobe in a sliding way. This is your window. You can extend it, use it as whatever you want to use it, and in the middle you can keep a bed. Still there are a lot of space to utilize in the common bedroom itself. Now we'll be checking out the spacious master bedroom, which also had the extended terrace balconies, where you can make it a big. It is already done. I'll be showing you that as well. This is your master bedroom. Amazing spacious flat. On the right is your master bathroom. Look at it. Amazing work done. Wash basin, everything will be as it is. On the right, that's the wardrobe space. And this is your surprise. Look at the balcony. This is your extended balconies as well. Around more than 3 feet. Just have a look. So this is around 4 feet. Extended balconies. This is your space to keep anything you want. You can utilize it. They have extended the balconies, and on the living room you can make it a bedroom, which is convertible into 3, or else you can use it as the spacious living room. On this side you can keep your wardrobe space. Entire wardrobe space is already given. So contact for all the details of this property. Don't miss it a chance. Have a look. Come visit. Amazing place. 2 BHK plus the extended terrace balcony, which is convertible into a 3rd bedroom. Don't miss it. contact for all the details. Subscribe to our channel. And that's your water space above. Loft is there. Refrigerator space. And this is your spacious living room. Contact.